Alright, so in this series of videos, we're going to still continue handling inequalities. We have a series of inequalities that are set up like an equation, and we're going to handle them like we would normally do an equation. We're going to combine like terms, move our variables, distribute, use all the properties of algebra in order to handle these inequalities. The difference being is the two key factors that we want to remember is that if we divide by or multiply by a negative number, we need to flip our inequality symbol. And there comes a choice of whether or not we need to have our variable on the left side or the right side. Now, in terms of these two questions that we're given here, our variable is on the left side of our answer choices. So that means I'm going to keep my variable on my left side because that's going to make my life easier, because when it's depending on where the variable's at, that may change your inequality symbol and what's happening. All right, so now we're going to go ahead and solve this one. So I'm going to go ahead and move my 5x to the left side of our inequality symbol. So I'm going to subtract 5x from both sides. It's now canceled off our right side of the inequality symbol. So now we're left with negative 9x plus 10, which is greater than or equal to 55. We're then going to subtract the 10 from both sides. So that's going to give me negative 9x greater than or equal to negative 45. We're now going to divide by negative 9. Now, pay attention. We're dividing by a negative number, so that means that x is now going to become less than or equal to negative 5, which is our answer choice H. Question 33 from 2016. We're going to handle the same way. The only difference being in this one is we need to distribute. So this is going to become 15 minus 5x less than or equal to, or not less than or equal to, just less than negative 2x plus 6. I'm now going to go ahead and move the 2x over to the left side because all of my variables are on the left side in my answer choice. So I'm going to add 2x to both sides. That cancels from the right. So this becomes 15 minus 3x less than 6. We're going to subtract 15 from both sides. That's going to give me negative 3x less than negative 9. We're going to divide by a negative 3. We're dividing by a negative number, so our inequality is going to flip. So that's going to become x is greater than 3. So that gives us our answer choice B. And a negative divided by a negative is a positive. All right. And the next TEK is a new TEK, so we will go over that question in a new video. See you later.